My name is Alyssa Picchini Schaffer. I'm a vice president and senior scientist at the Simons Foundation, where I run the neuroscience collaborations, which are basic neuroscience research programs. I am here today because of my belief and our organization's belief in the importance of basic science research, especially basic brain research, and its ability to help us solve the global burden of brain disorders. The burden of brain disorders is global and it's large, and there is a continuum of research on the brain and brain disorders, starting from very basic all the way through clinical and translational and implementation research. And to use the analogy of a tree won't survive if its roots are broken, if its trunk is gone, or if its canopy is damaged. And so the entire pipeline of research is very important. And one of the things that we would like to focus on is an awareness of funding basic science research for basic brain research for alleviating the global burden of disease. I think the thing that's resonated most with me today is the need for research to evolve to include a diversity of people and voices, both in those doing the research and those involved in the research, and a need for the research ecosystem to evolve to be more collaborative rather than competitive. And I think conversations that have happened here today have been a huge step forward toward that collaboration. The Brain Health Challenge is too big for one silo, for one part of the whole ecosystem to address it on its own. Brain health and brain disorders span countries and research disciplines, medical disciplines, cultures, and collaboration on all of those levels is very important for us to getting people help and to getting answers about brain disorders. I would hope for a more mechanistic understanding of brain disorders. I think our treatments today are based on knowledge that has been created in the past. And in order to create new treatments, we really need a more mechanistic understanding of how the brain works in order to treat new disorders. And so I think success in 10 years would look like a more mechanistic understanding of the brain that is being translated into new treatments for brain disorders.